Hello everyone and welcome back to my daily report market analysis videos with me, which is market analyst at Hantec. On Friday the 20th of December, looking at euro dollar, which has retreated, and it's I spoke about yesterday breaking this uptrend with this negative candle that we saw on Wednesday. Now, yesterday's move initially looked to be reclaiming some of that lost ground, but certainly sold off into the close, and it's a little bit muted now in terms of the how the market is responding. You can see that the fact that it's now falling away, finding resistance at lower levels. You've got the momentum indicators which are sort of rolling over really. Look at those stochastics now falling at 2.5 week lows. MACD lines have lost traction. Now, if we see the RSI back under 50, I think that would be a suggestion that we are really losing traction and maybe retreating once more back within the range. And we've been in this range between, broadly between 110 to 112 for the past 2 months. 111 big figure is a pivot line which is bang in the middle obviously of that range, and that is a basis of support now, so we're testing around that support, but the support is holding for now. But you can see here on the hourly chart I've got a little pivot line actually closer around 111 figure, which effectively in the last couple of weeks has been a basis of a pivot line, and that is also there or thereabouts holding. Little intraday slips below it yesterday briefly, but reclaimed very quickly. But the market is basically lost direction today. We are running up to Christmas. You got a bit of US data today, pretty much tying up some loose ends, so I'm not sure we're going to get too much direction. Obviously, as I said, it's Christmas week next week, so again, limited direction likely throughout Christmas, but I think it's becoming increasingly indecisive, lacking conviction, and trading in a range. But back under 111 figure, you'd start to lose the traction in any sort of recovery argument. And to be honest, having broken that little mini uptrend anyway, it seems to be that we're now sort of just drifting once more, and falling and faltering underneath 112 big figure resistance. Around that 110.75 to 111 figure, you're fairly neutral within the outlook, I think. Below 10.75, I think you then sort of turn corrective and start thinking about the bottoms of the range again. But to be honest, it's at the moment lacking all sense of direction. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you soon.